what's going on, everybody? This is Bob, CEO and founder of cryptoikonmedia, and you are watching Crypto Icon, a show where I talk about everything about Web3. Today we will take a look at some major crypto news and some important days. But please note that I'm not a financial advisor; it is just for information and entertainment. So let's go for it. But before that, I'm just going to talk about current market price. So today's cryptocurrency price by market cap. The global crypto market cap is 860.74 billion dollar, which is 3.03% increase over the last day, and the total crypto market volume over the last 24 hours is 50.61 billion dollar, which makes a 15.59% increase. The total volume in DeFi is currently $3.42, which is 6.76% of the total crypto market 24 hours. The volume of all stablecoin is now $47.65 billion, which is 94.15% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. Coin dominance is currently 38.08%, an increase of 0.16% over the year. And the Bitcoin price is right now $17,054, and the Ethereum price is $1,290. BNB price is $299. And let's go for the today's story, which is coming up from bitcoinnews.com. So I would give this credit to bitcoinnews.com, and the story says Bitcoin adjusted for inflation brings bull market ROI to zero. All throughout 2020, the narrative driving Bitcoin price appreciation was that it would be the best hedge against inflation. 2 years later, inflation running hot has destroyed financial market, and it brought the ROI of BTC when adjusted for inflation to mere 0%. Bitcoin ROI adjusted for inflation is zero. The 2020 bull market in Bitcoin, the other cryptocurrencies, really began to take off when billionaire trader and philanthropist Paul Tudor Jones linked Bitcoin to gold in the 1970s, the last time inflation pushed well past the 2% Fed target level. Jones claimed the BTC, due to its scarce 21 million coin supply, would be the fastest horse in the race against inflation. More than 2 years following, the quiet Bitcoin is trading at a level that, when adjusted for inflation, makes the ROI 0% since the beginning of the 2018 market. And let's go for the second story, which is coming up from the dailyhodl.com. So I would give this credit to dailyhodl.com. This story says Coinbase announced upcoming support for Ethereum-based NFT gaming. The biggest crypto exchange in the US says it is adding the native token of the non-fungible token gaming studio Vulcan Forge PYR to its list of supported digital coins. According to Coinbase, the platform is debuting trading of the Ethereum based altcoin on November 29. Once liquidity are made, and Coinbase will add support for Vulcan Forge PYR on the Ethereum network ERC20 token. Once sufficient supply of this asset is established, trading on our PYR USD trading pair will launch in phases. Support for PYR may be replicated in some supported jurisdictions. The announcement comes just weeks after Coinbase added PYR to its listing roadmap, the catalog of crypto assets that the company plans to add. The exchange created the roadmap in a bid to increase transparency and minimize incidents of pumps and dumps that occur when the price of coin surge once they get listed on exchange platforms. The price of PYR jumped following the announcement. At time of writing, the altcoin is changing hands for $3.25, up by 11.93% in the past 24 hours, but 93% down from its all-time high. And let's go for the third story, which is coming up from Cointelegraph. So I would give this credit to cointelegraph.com. And the story says Ethereum derivatives looks bearish, but traders believe the Ethereum bottom is in. Expectation of stringent regulation and further contagion from FTX continue to weigh on Ethereum price, but derivatives are showing a modest improvement in sentiment. Ethereum rallied 5.5% in the early hours of November 29, reclaiming the critical 1,200 support. However, when analyzing broader time frame, the 24% negative performance in the past 30 days significantly impact investor sentiment. Moreover, investors' mood worsened after BlockFi filed for bankruptcy on November. News flow remained negative after the United States Treasury Department Office of Foreign Assets Control announced a settlement with crypto exchange Kraken for apparent valuation of sanction against RN in November 28 announcement. The OFAC said Kraken had agreed to pay more than $362,000 settle its potential civil liabilities. Moreover, on November 28th, institutional crypto financial service provider Silvergate Capital, in a rumor of significant exposure to BlockFi bankruptcy, Silvergate added that its losses are less than $20 million in digital assets and reiterated that BlockFi was not custodian for its crypto-controlled loans. And let's go for the last news, which is coming up from decrypto.com. So I would give this credit to decrypto.com, and the story says what's happening with RAM BTC on Ethereum. And RAM BTC, WBTC lost its tag last week. Here's what the mean and why it's matter. An important RAM token nearly unrevealed last week, the latest crypto project to be hurt by the fallout of the once dominant FTX exchange, which collapsed earlier this month. For those who don't know, WBTC is the 23rd largest cryptocurrency with a market cap of $3.5 billion. It runs on Ethereum and leading blockchain or DeFi and NFT, and is a token that it meant to represent Bitcoin. The idea mostly with the WBTC is the traders who want to use their Bitcoin holdings in the Ethereum ecosystem can do so with tokens that are one-to-one backed by Bitcoin. How Bitcoin holders can interact with DeFi tools without spending more money on Ethereum or other Ethereum-based tools. It is an important tool in the world of DeFi financial products that allow their users to borrow land or trade digital assets without third-party intermediaries. In the past 24 hours, over $88 million worth of WBTC token traded hands, according to CoinDepot. But last week, the token defact losing its one-to-one value to Bitcoin. Blockchain data firm Kiko said, since FTX blew up at the start of November, WBTC has traded on exchanges at a discount to beat Bitcoin. It reported something which isn't supposed to happen if the token is backed one to one by the largest cryptocurrency. Guys, this is the end of the story today. And if you like the content for this video, please give me a thumbs up and press the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so you will receive more content like this every day. And don't forget to check out our official link of major crypto platform in the description. And I would love to hear your feedback and suggestions. So do comment your thoughts. And please share this video with your friends on social media, Facebook and Twitter and Instagram at bobasheesh and also at cryptoikonmedia to learn more about it. And let me talk about what exactly we do. Cryptoikonmedia is a full service and crypto media agency, digital marketing, social media and branding. And guys, if you want to get 100 USDT, so get world biggest crypto exchange Binance and deposit more than $50 into your Binance account, and we will both get 100 USDT as a cash back. And guys, if you are listening to this content on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or any other podcast platform, then do hop on our YouTube channel for the real action. And thank you once again. You have a great day. Please like this video